narrative begins in the late 70s, an era marked by the emergence of personal computers. Pioneers like Apple and Microsoft began their journey, laying the foundation for a digital revolution. The computers of this era, characterized by large clunky machines and limited capabilities, were a far cry from the sleek, powerful devices we are accustomed to today. However, they represented the dawn of a new era, an era of digital information. Fast forward to the 90s, a decade that saw the birth of the internet. This new technology, initially used primarily by universities and the military, soon found its way into our homes and offices. The internet opened up a world of possibilities, from instant communication to the vast wealth of information at our fingertips. It transformed the way we work, learn, and interact. As we entered the new millennium, technology continued to evolve at a rapid pace. The introduction of smartphones, social media, and cloud computing revolutionized our lives. We began to live in a world where information was not only at our fingertips, but also in our pockets. Technology became an integral part of our lives, impacting everything from our daily routines to our social interactions. Today, we stand on the brink of another technological revolution. The advent of artificial intelligence and machine learning promises to transform our world once again. These technologies have the potential to revolutionize everything from healthcare to transportation, creating a world that is more efficient, more connected, and more intelligent. But what does the future hold? As we look ahead, we see a world where technology continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace. A world where artificial intelligence becomes more sophisticated, where virtual reality becomes more immersive, and where the boundaries between the physical and digital worlds continue to blur. The future of technology is a future of endless possibilities, a future of innovation, and a future of transformation. In summary, the evolution of technology is a fascinating journey, one that has transformed our world in countless ways. From the birth of personal computers to the rise of the internet and the advent of artificial intelligence, each stage of this journey has brought about significant changes in our lives. As we look to the future, we can only imagine what new innovations and transformations lie ahead. This, in essence, is the story of technology, a story of evolution, innovation, and transformation.